Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about this newest Amazon find. I wanted a mirror for my, my makeup videos. I've been using this really small mirror that is not tall enough and it doesn't have any lights, and sometimes when I look at it it's really dark. So I wanted something better that I can also take for travel if I needed to, and I found this one. This is the Air Expect Trifold LED Lighting Cosmetic Mirror, and it has 3 choices of color. There is yellow, white, and white and yellow, and this is how it comes out of the box. It's bubble wrapped. And the instruction manual, the charging cable, it is a USB cable, which is really awesome because we all have USB outlet thingamabob. And then this is the stand, and this is how the stand looks like. It is plastic, and this is how the mirror looks like. It is taped so that it wouldn't flop out, and this is how the back looks like. And by the way, you can move it to your desired angle, which is pretty cool. This is the 2 times, 3 times, the 1 times, and then finally the normal one. I love how big that is. Oh my gosh. And now I'm gonna put this in the stand that it comes with. Okay, so it doesn't click or anything, so it's easily removable. Yep, it didn't click. So that's just how it is, so you don't have to struggle trying to unclick it, So this stand is also doubled as a tray. So if you need to put your items, you can put it there, put your brushes, your more brushes, and then some eyeliners and tweezers. You can put them all in there. So that is pretty cool. I really like that. And this is how much you can tilt the mirror. It can literally like go all the way up and then down. And seriously, like you can tilt it all the way up, even though I don't think you need to do it like that. Because usually this would be the angle I would use it for, especially for this table. See, ew, I really like that. It's so cool. Okay, so this cord looks like it's pretty short. I don't know if it's gonna reach all the way, or maybe it will. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in real quick and then turn it on. Boop. Okay, so now let's check out the lighting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. This is the white light and how it looks like for my face. The white and yellow. And then finally, oops, and then the yellow. So for me, I really like the white and yellow because it looks the most natural. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite tone of the light is. This is changing the dimmable part. I'm making it brighter. And you just let go. And if you want to make it dim again, just touch it again and leave your finger there. My nail be looking ugly. So that's just how it works. To change it, you just press it. Super yellow, super white, super awesome. And then let's go back to the yellow real quick, and I want to see. Okay, wow. Ooh, that's super bright. Okay, so back to dimming. Okay, go back to bright. This is so fun. And this does come with a battery if you need to take it anywhere. Like I said, this is also for travel if you wanted to pack it in, and I'm pretty sure you can pack it, just put it in your duffel bag. And this does take 4 AA batteries. And if you don't want to do that, you can just bring your cord, because I feel like that's easier. You don't have to worry about the battery running out. Alright guys, that is the review for the dimmable LED mirror, and I believe this costs around $35. I mean, I really like this. I do think it's worth the money, but I feel like it could be just $10 less. But then it is dimmable, and it has 3 different tones of light, and then also it looks pretty cool, right? And it's tall and it's big and it comes with a little tray. So yeah, you know, I do think it is worth the money. And I have some other ones that I was looking at and I was like, that looks
It wasn't as elegant and pretty like this one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you like this review. And once again, check out the links below in the description box for everything that you see here. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!